What you are about to witness is not just a repair, it's a resurrection. Within this shell of rust and decay lies a secret waiting to be unlocked. The journey begins with a single, crucial choice: to destroy in order to rebuild. Every layer of grime holds a memory, a piece of a forgotten story. Can something so broken ever truly be made whole again? The heart of the machine is exposed, its inner workings a complex puzzle. Now, the true transformation begins. Forged in a storm of abrasive power, the relentless process strips away the years, revealing the ghost of what once was. Slowly, the original soul of the metal begins to emerge from the darkness. And there, it is a blank canvas, pure and ready for a new beginning. The deconstruction continues, a meticulous exploration of every component. Each part is a testament to engineering, now handled with surgical precision. The work demands patience, a deep understanding of how each piece relates to the whole. The engine bleeds its old life, making way for the new. A dark relic of the past, proof of the long journey traveled. The machine is reduced to its essential elements, every secret laid bare. No detail is too small, no piece insignificant. The process is an intimate dialogue between man and machine. Each component is inspected, prepared for its eventual reunion. Even the smallest spring holds tension, a key to the engine's future power. The engine block, stained by time, awaits its purification. With modern precision, the careful disassembly reaches its most intricate stages. Seals hardened by age are gently coaxed free, releasing the grip of the past. The gears of the transmission, a complex heart, are methodically cataloged. Each turn of the wrench is deliberate, a step closer to the core. Different tools for different challenges, each one unlocking a new layer. The internal architecture is revealed, a hidden world of mechanical artistry. A delicate touch is required to liberate the smallest of pins. The process is a dance of disassembly, systematic and focused. Finally, the crankshaft is freed, the very spine of the engine. Piece by piece, the inventory grows, a collection of potential. The work is repetitive yet essential, ensuring nothing is overlooked. Every component is separated, its individual story paused. The last of the internal parts are carefully removed. A methodical mind and steady hand are the most vital tools here. The pile of parts represents both an ending and a beginning. Soon, these individual pieces will be reborn as one. The stage is set for the great cleansing, the final removal of all impurities. The empty shell of the engine block is prepared for its baptism. Submerged in a chemical bath, the deep-seated grime begins to dissolve. In a dark, cleansing fluid, the crankshaft is scrubbed clean of its past. Each gear, each shaft, is meticulously washed, a ritual of renewal. The remnants of the cleansing process show just how much was hidden. Now, under the force of high-pressure water, the last vestiges of dirt are blasted away. The water runs clear. The parts are finally pure. A new skin is applied, a protective layer for the life ahead. This is more than paint, it's armor, giving the engine a fresh identity. Each part receives the same treatment, ensuring a uniform, flawless finish. The final pieces are coated, completing the aesthetic transformation. The The finish is perfect, smooth, and gleaming, ready for reassembly. The symphony of reconstruction begins as individual notes become a chord. Pristine components are reunited, their purposes renewed. With care and precision, the puzzle pieces begin to form a familiar shape. The cylinder head is restored, the seat of the engine's power. The process mirrors the disassembly, but in reverse, filled with hope. The final components of the main block are slotted into place. Attention now turns to the carburetor, the lungs of the machine. Its intricate passages must be perfectly clean to breathe life into the engine. One final check ensures unobstructed flow for fuel and air. The restored carburetor is ready to be joined with the engine. The meticulous cleaning continues, ensuring every part is flawless before assembly. Tiny channels are cleared, critical for a smooth and responsive engine. A specialized spray dissolves any remaining residue, a final act of purification. The carburetor's components are reassembled, the mechanical harmony restored. The full set of renewed parts lies ready, a stunning display of restored potential. The two halves of the engine casing come together, sealed to create a perfect whole. The internal gears mesh perfectly, a testament to the careful work. Each screw is tightened to precise specifications. Securing the engine's core, another component joins the assembly, the engine growing stronger with each step. The careful placement continues, building up the layers of machinery. The rhythm of reconstruction is steady, driven by focus and expertise. Each piece fits exactly as intended, a perfect marriage of metal. The outer layers of the engine are now being added. The assembly is nearing completion, its final form taking shape. The cover is installed, enclosing the intricate workings of the transmission. The buildup continues, with each part adding to the engine's future performance. The final external components are carefully bolted into place. Lifeblood is introduced, high-performance oil, to lubricate the reborn heart. The timing chain is set, a critical link for synchronized power. With the final adjustment, the engine itself is complete, a work of art and engineering. Now, the electrical systems are integrated, giving the engine its spark of life. The engine, now gleaming and whole, is ready to meet its frame. A new bearing is pressed into place, ensuring smooth and reliable motion. The precision of this step is paramount to the machine's longevity. The flywheel is mounted, a key component for storing rotational energy. The ignition coils are secured, preparing the engine to breathe fire. The final touches are made to the engine assembly before the next great step. A cover is torqued down, sealing the electronics from the elements. The completed powerhouse sits proudly on the stand, a fusion of restored and new parts. The heart is ready for its body, the engine is carefully guided into the restored chassis. This is the moment of reunion, where the restored halves finally become one machine. Bolts are tightened, securing the engine and making the motorcycle whole again. The carburetor is connected, linking the engine's lungs to its fuel source. The exhaust system is attached, ready to give the machine its voice. The complex web of the wiring harness is connected, forming the motorcycle's nervous system. Another piece of the bodywork is fastened, the final shape becoming clear. Every connection is doubly checked, ensuring safety and reliability. The final mechanical checks are performed, a last look before the masterpiece is complete. A close-up reveals the stunning result, a perfect, gleaming engine. The last component is put in place, the transformation is complete. From a forgotten relic, a masterpiece is born, a testament to passion and dedication. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel, DT Restoration, for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.